Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Let's review what we've learned about the question, are you going to the? Okay. Are you going to the airport? Yes, I am. Are you going to the amusement park? Yes, I am. Are you going to the barber shop? Yes, I am. Okay, you have more. Are you going to the fire station? Yes, I am. Are you going to the park? Yes, I am. Are you going to the police station? Yes, I am. Okay, now today we have our new lesson, okay? Our lesson is about transportation. So you have here the vehicles, okay? A car, okay? This is a car, okay? Remember, because we will have a question later, okay? Bus, by bus. Taxi, by taxi. Bicycle, by bicycle. Motorcycle, by motorcycle. Tuk-tuk, by tuk-tuk. Train, by train. Okay? Let's learn how to answer this question. How did you get there? Okay, to answer this question, let's have an example. How did you get there? So you look, okay? Look at the vehicle and identify, okay? That's why you need to remember the vehicles, okay? Again, let's repeat this one. Car, bus, taxi, bicycle, motorcycle, tuk-tuk, train, okay? So you have here the example already that I gave you. So you have here a car, okay? So you look at this and then identify it. Because it is a car, then answer like this. I get there by car. So you just repeat this one. You is answered by I. And then get. And then there. And then this one is by car. Okay? Now I will give you the answer first. And then the next one is you answer alone. Okay? Now, okay, let's proceed. Number one, how did you get there? Okay, look at this. So this is what? A bus. So your answer is, I get there by bus. Number two, how did you get there? Okay, look at the picture. So you have here, this is a taxi, okay? So your answer is, I get there by taxi. Okay, number three, how did you get there? So look at the picture. You have here a bicycle. So your answer is, I get there by bicycle. Okay, now you answer. Okay, I will not answer. Okay, number one, how did you get there? Okay, good. Number two, how did you get there? Okay, that's great. Number three, how did you get there? Okay, excellent. Okay, let's have more questions, okay? How did you get there? So look at this. This is a motorcycle. So your answer is, I get there by motorcycle. Number 5, how did you get there? This is a tuk-tuk, okay? So I get there by tuk-tuk. Number 6, how did you get there? Okay, so you have here a train. So you say, I get there by train. Okay, did you get it? Now you answer. How did you get there? That's great. Number 5, how did you get there? Excellent. Number 6, how did you get there? Amazing. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye.